I'm Richard Southern in the 680 newsroom. Boy, a great week for Canadian stocks in the books. Best week in a while. A big win streak has taken hold on Bay Street. The TSX has been higher in 11 straight sessions now, the longest streak of gains in more than 4 years. TSX within about 1% of its all-time high. Oil, the big reason for this, the price of crude above $71 per barrel, really helping out the energy producers. And we've seen the spread between the Canadian price of oil, Western Select, and the U.S. price narrow, so that's been good for the energy producers. Marijuana stocks, another reason we saw some big gains, particularly on Friday. Canopy Growth above $34 per share. Aurora Cannabis this past week inking a $3.2 billion deal to buy MidRelief, so we're seeing more consolidation in that business. The high oil price, good for Bay Street, but not good when it comes to the gas station. Gas prices, we know, mighty expensive. Around $1.40, just shy of it here this weekend. We're not expecting any change at midnight tonight, but certainly the highest price in more than 4 years does remain at the gas pumps. Another retailer going belly up. This time it's 9 West, the shoe store. It filed for bankruptcy last month, but it's just starting to liquidate all its stores now. All its Canadian stores will close. All its stores globally will. This was the scene Friday. It's Eaton Centre location. Everything must go. 9 West listing liabilities of almost $10 billion. The shoe business on a whole facing competition from online retailers, specialty shoe stores, but also reports have found that we're spending a little bit less money on footwear than what we used to. So 9 West soon to be no more. Sticking with clothing, a report this past week found that Canada spends among the highest in the world for dry cleaning. Yes, a company called ZipJet out looking at this. Norway spends the most. They looked at what it costs to get a man's suit dry cleaned. Norway the most at just over $37. Finland $29.26. Sweden $24.99. You got to go down to 25 on the list, so pretty expensive. Toronto, they pegged the average cost of a suit to get dry cleaned at $16.87, about 2.5% above the global average. The cheapest, Indonesia, at $1.56. All told, Canadians spend $500 million annually on dry cleaning. Russia spends the most collectively at more than $3 billion a year. Royal wedding in the books. How did you like it? Did you get up and watch it this morning? Yeah, a lot of companies tried to make some money off it, try to get some good PR off of it, and I think British Airways did something very interesting. Its flight earlier today from Heathrow into Toronto Pearson, it was staffed, this flight, entirely by Meghan's and Harry's. Yes, 7 Meghan flight attendants, 1 Harry. Behind the controls, Senior First Officer Harry Blake. And what do they serve aboard this Flight 93 today was lemon elderflower sponge cake, the same type of cake they served at the royal wedding. As well, any passengers, British Airways passengers traveling through Heathrow today, named Meghan or Harry, got free first-class lounge access. Well, you know, everyone was trying to cash in with souvenirs for today's royal wedding. I want to show you some of the more crazy ones out there. Harry and Meghan swimsuit. Oh my, look, they were selling those for $65. Harry and Meghan adult coloring book going for $10. Harry and Meghan earrings for $12. Royal wedding masks for $14. Even a royal wedding condom. They're selling a pack of those for $17. You open it up, plays God Save the Queen and the Star Spangled Banner. Why? Well, because Meghan Markle's from the U.S. and, of course, Harry, British. Now we've seen it all, and now we can stop talking about the royal wedding. In the 680 newsroom, Richard Southern, City News.